taxed.
That's David Willis. Let's talk this through with Cornelia Meyer, Chief Executive of business consultancy MRL Corporation. You work extensively in the Middle East, in Saudi Arabia itself. Also used to work at BP. You know the oil industry extremely well. Give us your take on what's been going on.
Well, just two things. First of all, the Saudis have come out and said they can restore it. They can restore full production by the end of the month, if that is so.
And you believe that?
I believe Aramco is a highly competent company. If anybody can, they can. But it's a complex process. So let's see. But they also have stocks everywhere, so they can keep their clients happy. There are two things. There's the short-term thing of the disruption, but then there's the middle to longer-term thing, which is, you know, is risk sufficiently priced into the oil price? You know, is there sufficient risk premium in there? And some people would argue not. I would argue not too. But on the other hand, again, currently markets are more on the side of being oversupplied. That's why the price has been sort of so low.
So depressed. I mean, on Monday, as you know, the price spiked to sort of $70 a barrel around there. It's now trading around $64 a barrel of Brent, that kind of area. Is that where we're going to stay for a while, do you think? If they do sort of stay risk on, as they say in markets?
Yeah, that's where we're going to stay for a while. But then at some stage it will hit again, you know, because of trade wars and sluggish economies, demand growth has not been as much as anticipated. And there is a whole wave of non-OPEC crude hitting the markets end of this year, next year. And then we will just have to see what the demand supply situation is. But really what we have seen is that these facilities, not just in Saudi, also UAE, Kuwait, you know, they are at risk. They're vulnerable.
They are vulnerable, it's true.
Critical infrastructure is vulnerable everywhere.
Cornelia, thank you. She's coming back a little later. We have our news briefing, of course, with lots of interesting stories to